cold or flu? A common dilemma. Every year, countless people find themselves feeling under the weather, unsure of what exactly is ailing them. Many people feel sick every year. They get sniffles, they get coughs, they experience body aches and fatigue. These symptoms can be quite bothersome and often lead to confusion. They think, is it a cold? Is it the flu? The uncertainty can be frustrating, especially when you just want to feel better. It's easy to get confused. Both illnesses share several symptoms, making it hard to distinguish between the two. Colds and flu share some symptoms. For instance, both can cause a runny nose, sore throat, and general malaise. But they are different illnesses. The flu tends to be more severe and can lead to serious complications. Knowing the difference helps you get the right treatment. For example, antiviral medications can be effective against the flu, but are not used for colds. It also helps you protect others. By understanding what you have, you can take appropriate measures to prevent spreading the illness. This guide will help you become a germ detective. You'll learn to identify the subtle differences between these common illnesses. We'll uncover the secrets of these pesky viruses. Understanding their behavior can help you take better care of your health. You'll learn how to tell them apart. This knowledge is crucial for effective treatment and prevention, and, most importantly, how to fight back. With the right information, you can take steps to recover quickly and protect those around you. Spotting the sneaky cold. It can be tricky to identify at first. The common cold is like that annoying neighbour. It's always popping up. Colds are very common, affecting millions of people every year. Most adults get a few colds each year. Children, especially those in school or daycare, get even more. Their developing immune systems make them more susceptible. Colds are annoying, but usually mild. They can make you feel miserable, but they rarely lead to serious health problems. Cold symptoms are like a slow drip from a leaky faucet. They start subtly and can be easy to overlook at first. They come on gradually, usually over a day or two. You might not even realize you're getting sick until the symptoms become more pronounced. You might feel a little tired. Your throat might tickle. This is often the first sign that a cold is on its way. Then comes the runny nose and sneezing. These symptoms can be particularly bothersome, making it hard to concentrate on daily tasks. You might have a cough too. This can be dry or productive, depending on how your body responds to the virus. A mild fever can happen, but not always. It's your body's way of fighting off the infection. Remember, while colds are common, they are usually manageable with rest and proper care. Unmasking the flu's fury. The flu is different. Think of it as a sudden storm. It hits you hard and fast. Flu symptoms are more intense than cold symptoms. They usually come on suddenly, within a few hours. You'll feel much sicker with the flu. You'll have a fever, often high. Your body will ache all over. You'll feel very tired. You might have chills. Headaches are common. You'll probably have a cough too. The tiny culprits behind the misery. So, what causes these illnesses? Tiny invaders called viruses. There are many different cold viruses. They spread easily through the air when someone coughs or sneezes. You can also get infected by touching contaminated surfaces. The flu is caused by influenza viruses. These viruses are also contagious. They spread the same way as cold viruses. The flu virus changes every year. That's why you need a new flu shot every fall. Section 5. Battling the bug. Treatment strategies. Most of the time, you can treat colds and the flu at home. Rest is important. It helps your body fight the virus. Drink plenty of fluids like water and broth. This prevents dehydration. Over-the-counter medications can help relieve symptoms. Pain relievers can reduce fever and aches. Decongestants can help with a stuffy nose. Cough syrups can soothe your throat. Always follow the instructions on the label. Section 6. Prevention power. Outsmarting the germs. In this section, we will explore the essential steps you can take to protect yourself and others from harmful germs. The best way to fight colds and the flu is to avoid getting sick in the first place. Prevention is key, and it starts with simple, everyday habits. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Make sure to scrub all parts of your hands, including the back, between your fingers, and under your nails, for at least 20 seconds. This is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Clean hands can stop germs from spreading from one person to another and throughout an entire community. Avoid close contact with sick people. Germs can spread through the air and by touching surfaces that an infected person has touched. If you are sick, stay home to avoid spreading the virus. Resting at home not only helps you recover faster, but also protects others from getting sick. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. This simple action can prevent droplets that contain germs from traveling through the air and infecting others. Throw used tissues in the trash right away. Proper disposal of tissues helps maintain a clean environment and reduces the risk of spreading germs. Always wash your hands after handling used tissues. Section 7. When to seek expert help. Most people with colds and the flu recover fully within a week or two. However, sometimes complications can arise. It's important to know when to see a doctor. If you have trouble breathing, chest pain, or a high fever that doesn't go down, seek medical attention immediately. These could be signs of a more serious condition. Young children, older adults, and people with weakened immune systems are more vulnerable to complications. Section 8. A healthy lifestyle for a stronger defense. Boosting your immune system can help you fight off infections. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get enough sleep. Manage stress. Exercise regularly. These healthy habits strengthen your body's natural defenses. They help you stay healthy all year round. Section 9. The final word. Stay informed, stay healthy. Colds and the flu are common illnesses, but they can still make you feel miserable. By understanding the differences between them, you can take steps to protect yourself and others. Remember to wash your hands, stay home when you're sick, and consider getting a flu shot every year. By taking care of your health, you can enjoy a happy and healthy life.